So my third technology is Jeopardy Labs, and this is an easy way to set up a Jeopardy type review game. So you create a Jeopardy game, you put in a password, and then you start typing in your categories. So I'm going to put developmental sequencing, and then I'm going to type a statement. I'm going to put the first stage of developmental sequencing. Um, and then for my response, what is mobility? And you add that in. You can do up to 5 teams on the free trial. Well, I shouldn't say trial, it's free. So you can do up to 5 students or 5 teams. And then you put this up on your overhead, and then the students select just like they do on Jeopardy, and you click on the statement, and then when they give their answer, then you click on this and it gives the correct answer. And then it adds up according to which team got that correct. This aligns with ISTE standard for Educational Leaders 1A to ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. And then ISTE standard 3D, which is support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. So that's my third technology.